Cardboard box, not much soldering paste, not much writing on it, or no writing on it at all actually. Let me get this open. Solder paste. Not real familiar with this, but some solder, the iron, some push buttons, bunch of different tips, pointy tip installed, a piece of sponge for that, and directions. Quite a bit of directions actually. Celsius, Fahrenheit. I only see Celsius, but I want to change it to Fahrenheit because I do not like using Celsius. So I'm gonna have to find that part of this manual. Alright, looks like I got a button here. Hold it down. It starts raising up. I'm gonna hold it down. I'm gonna press it. There we go. Then I get the Fahrenheit. That's what I need. Let that get warmed up. We're at 600 degrees already. Should melt solder at 600. Not melting solder. Getting real close at 662. Alright, so negative, positive. Basically, if you're holding it this way, negative is down, positive is up. On the right side, 680. Alright, melting solder fine at 680. To my liking. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and hit the power button. Press and hold. Alright, that all looks good. Alright, pretty hot. The paste that came with it burns off real nice. And the wire grate. I'm satisfied with that. I'm going to take it and put it in this cup. Oh yeah, heats up real quick, holds it good. I'm gonna get this wire put in here. Oh yeah, made easy work of it. Quick joint that I made, no big, I'm in a rush, but anyway, good soldering iron, worked great.